This looks easy, so easy that most people don't even slow down. They see it and instantly say 3, but that answer comes from rushing, not from math. Let's do this properly. Here's the expression: 6 divided by 2/5 times 5. That fraction in the middle is where almost everyone slips. Here's the common mistake. People see 2/5 times 5 and their brain simplifies it immediately to 2. So they turn the whole expression into 6 divided by 2, which gives 3. It feels fast, it feels clean, but it breaks the rules. The problem is simple. PEMDAS never told you to simplify early. Multiplication and division have the same priority. That means one thing only. You go left to right. No skipping ahead, no mental shortcuts. So let's follow the correct order. We start with 6 divided by 2/5. This is where the KFC method applies. And no, not the restaurant. Keep the 6, flip the fraction, change division to multiplication. So this becomes 6 times 5 over 2. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. We're not done yet. Now multiply by 5. 15 times 5 equals 75. So the correct answer is 75, not 3, not even close. This mistake happens because people simplify before the structure is finished. Math doesn't reward speed, it rewards order. If this finally made sense, like the video, subscribe, and watch more breakdowns on Math Algo. Learn the structure once and these traps stop working on you.